Aviation is full of intense moments, and today, we're bringing you some of the most shocking landings and crashes ever caught on camera. From near disasters to full-scale crashes, these clips will leave you speechless. Let's get started. This plane never even made it to the runway. Just moments before landing, it tragically crashed mid-air.
Oh my God.
I don't know.
Oh no, oh no, no, no.
Oh my gosh.
No, 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 no.
Oh my gosh.
A close call. Not every landing goes as planned. This one ended in a devastating crash upon touchdown. Sometimes danger comes before takeoff. This aircraft never got off the ground, crashing before it could even fly.
Uy, madre santa, mae. Uy, mae.
Another near miss. This plane managed to land, but it was dangerously close to a major accident. Speed can be a pilot's worst enemy. Here, excessive landing speed caused a partial crash upon touchdown. A hard landing turned into a disaster. This plane couldn't stabilize and crashed upon impact. One of the worst crashes on this list. The landing went horribly wrong, leading to a catastrophic wreck.